later. Alright, we're out. You have to come in a light. Come in a light. At girl. At girl, then you come in the light. Come in the light. Yes. Yes. Booby is leaving us today. But I'll be staying behind a little. Dark man, you see there. Husband is going to be taking his flight today. And I'll be staying for a little while with my mom because she just lost dad. You know how it goes already. Booby, it's dark, you know? See it there? Nobody can see your face.
Dark morning.
Yes, sir. Husband is going away today. And I stay for a while with my mom. Yes,
You're good.
Yes.
You're good. Go
Madam
back.
May.
I'll see you there.
May Jean. I'll see you later, alligator. And Goran is backing up. Goran is sorting out the car to hit the road, Jack. Yeah. Mother-in-law time. Rasta.
In the dark.
What
What that? You can't block for darkness.
Yeah, I walk
Oh, not in my face now, show.
No, sir. They know nobody now.
Just dash with that.
Nobody now fi see no face.
Just dash with that. We're not midnight.
You see, white teeth and dark face.
Dash with that.
Oh, let me take off my tie. What do you? Me look
You have to come in a light. Come in a light. At girl. At girl, then you come in the light. Come in the light. Yes.
We're in the light.
Right.
Yes.
Where I say?
I'm a special mother.
Booby is leaving us today.
Yes.
But I'll be staying behind a little.
Yes.
Yes.
And he'll be going.
Yes, shortly
Be coming
after.
back soon.
Yes,
All
coming
right.
back soon. Yes.
Yeah, so I go.
So we're going to
Go
do
so,
road
go
now,
so.
people.
There you go, so.
And we're going to do it safely.
Yeah.
For real.
So we're checking out now, people.
Take care, boo.
Mia
One
Jean,
love.
come in at this.
Take care.
Yes, take
Madam,
care.
you don't want to come in here.
Madam, you're not the vlog, man.
Yeah.
Okay, she don't like to come on the video live.
Afraid of camera.
She's not afraid of it, she just
Afraid
don't
of
want to be
camera.
featured.
Alright?
Yes,
Take care then, Andy.
Yes,
Bless.
Mom.
Alright.
Love you, yeah?
yes. Alright, love you, mom. See you in a bit.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, see you later. Alright, we're out.
You know what on him?
Mother,
Yes.
what's up?
I'm eating pineapple cake.
Pineapple cake?
Yeah.
What's the dealio with you, girl?
What?
What's the deal?
Pineapple cake.
Pineapple cake you're
In my
eating?
tummy.
Okay. So mother, I need to ask you a question. Why you had to be so rude today to the gentleman?
Lick you want.
Tell him man say he want lick.
Why you don't know where me live? How much time you carry?
But that gentleman don't have to know where you live, mommy.
You should know the gate that him drop me off.
So you're famous around here or
Yes.
you're known?
Well known.
How many years you live here?
36.
36 years?
Yeah.
Okay. Big up yourself, mother.
And then boy they just come, you know.
And just
Boy
come.
just come live here about them.
Then a regular.
No, that, but him should know. Say you're saying camera
Look on
later.
her too, no? Look on her. 61-year-old. Look at her.
Mhm.
Look at her. Hot girl, hot girl.
Come look about your breadfruit.
Me, I look for no breadfruit. Somebody did it for me. Bridget Tweety had the breadfruit for me.
Make sure pay him.
You think everything a payment? What happened, Tweety? You know what the breadfruit forward for Empress? Give thanks.
You probably have to put people up there.
You can put paper up there. I'm not lifting a straw. Not another straw in our lift. Pick up yourself, Tweety General. Heel. Off. Alright. Give thanks, Tweety. Send me Tweety and fix up my breadfruit. Give thanks, Tweety.
Them can't stop our time. Career youth. We have to break through.